All right, this is our weekly or our daily schedule for tomorrow, Friday, December 11th. So just a quick reminder for math, I'm not assigning anything new. I'm giving you this opportunity to get caught up on all of your missing work. So if you click this link, it will take you to Google Classroom Math. Please go through and make sure you've watched all of these videos and turned all of your assignments in, please. If I have graded it and turned it back to you, that is okay. That means you've completed it. Looking back also at math, Zern, if you're all done, I'd like you to be done with lesson 20 by the end of the week. We have a math test on Wednesday. That's why I'm giving you this opportunity to get caught up on all of your missing work and review the concepts on long division. Zoom at 9:30, we're going to go over the Wonders book, page 44, and we're going to be answering that question using race. We have 2 IXL English Language Arts recommendations that I would like you to complete on diagnostic. Recess and lunch. Science, you have the Seasons lesson and quiz on Canvas. There is a drawing writing activity that goes with that I gave you that piece of paper for at the end of the day. Special is Free Choice Friday. Zern, you need to complete lesson 20 by Friday. And, sorry, I'm yawning here. You need to make sure you are caught up with your reading on your novel study. All right, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.